Borders are not just a line on maps. Instead, they are the result of history, politics, and strategic decisions. Border lines plays a very important role in national security and international relations. Jai Hind everyone, this is Harshika Seni, and today I will be speaking on some of the important border lines of our country. So starting from the Red Cliff Line, which came into existence after the independence of our nation, that is after 1947, when Muhammad Jinnah demanded a different nation, a separate nation, that is Pakistan. And to separate India and Pakistan, Sir Cyril Redcliffe drawn this line. After the demand of Muhammad Jinnah, India was divided into three parts: India, East Pakistan, and West Pakistan. And Redcliffe Line separates these areas. This line mainly affects Punjab and Bengal regions. And the rapid drawing of this line resulted in the mass migration and violation, which made this line one of the most tragic changes in the history of India. Then comes the line of control, the LOC. It is a military control line between India and Pakistan, especially in the region of Jammu and Kashmir. It is not a clear international border, but it is a de facto border which separates the areas controlled by both of the nations, that is India and Pakistan. And this has been a very sensitive borderline or area between the regions, as it resulted in violence such as the violation of ceasefire and cross-border disputes. And due to its significant importance, the area is guarded by our armed forces. Then comes the McMahon Line, which is a border between India and China in the northeast region, especially in Arunachal Pradesh. India considers it a valid boundary line, but China refuses this, and this disagreement results in the tension between the two regions. McMahon Line plays an important role in the territorial integration between the nations, between China and the northeastern part of our country. And lastly comes the LEC, that is the line of actual control, which is between India and China. And unlike other international borders, it is not clearly demarcated on the maps, which leads to the differences of perceptions between the two countries. It is basically based on the natural resources such as mountains, rivers, or lakes. And due to the unclarity of the border lines, it has faced or witnessed multiple standoffs or face-offs, which leads to the security concerns in both of the nations. To conclude, the McMahon Line, the Redcliffe Line, the LOC or the LAC, these are not only borders, but they are the results of the historical experiences faced by our nation, the security challenges or the geopolitical challenges faced by our nation. And this is very important for us to understand, to appreciate the strategic environment of India in which we exist today. Thank you. Jai Hind.